Yo, what's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We back with another banger because today is the day that we are about to finally install, y'all see it, the carbon fiber. Well, y'all don't see it all the way. The carbon fiber hood, man, the trunk, I should say. So today is gonna be a nice day, easy install. I got this back from Danny, aka that real car guy on IG, man. So we're about to actually go over here to the Camaro, man, and install it today. This is the day you all been waiting for, and hopefully we can get some good sunlight so you guys can see the work he has did to the car. So look like the sun is facing actually right. So we're actually about to show you his work, man. I'm excited for him to show you guys his work, but as y'all can see, I don't know how good it's coming out on camera though, but it is looking real good so far, man, with the metallic. So what y'all think so far with this just sitting back from the hood a little bit, is not installed? Like, let me line it up a little bit. Like, which wicker bill y'all go with? Do y'all go with the stock, the OEM, the time flies when you drive, or do y'all want the carbon fiber, as y'all can see? So y'all drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think. Until then, let's go ahead and install it. All right, y'all, so I already got started just removing like the these plastic pins. That's like a pain in the ass, man, to take out. Got the felt liner off, so now I need to continue that work by removing these plastic clips off. This is the plastic clips off, and I think this here is like using a hex bolt here. Yeah, this using a hex bolt here, and then undo my third brake light, and then I should be good to go. Luckily, I'm not gonna take this one off because I got me another one to go on the car, because I didn't want to like take this off and all that stuff. So I think with the trunk being so light, I don't need these anymore, but I'm gonna leave them on just in case, because I don't want to crack it. So we'll see, and then change those later. Boy, oh boy, I tell you, this little clip right here, man, is a pain in the ass to get out, man. GM and they lovely little clips they like to add here, man. But time to go ahead and install the rest of the trunk. Alright, y'all, so we just got the initial bolts on here, man. Just as it sits here, just try to line it up before I close it. But the first initial view of it, man, closing it, it's like extremely light. But man, I think I got that line right, y'all. Look at that. The first time. But sheesh. Ooh, damn, that looks good right there. Oh man, I'm just noticed something that that real car guy gonna get mad at me a little bit, but I believe he can fix it. Like I accidentally chipped it right there, the clear coat. But overall, looking at it, it looks pretty good. I need to remove these fins, which I'll do for another day. But overall, like the look of it and everything, man, it looks pretty good. So what y'all think about it so far, man, from the side and everything? Because it's light, like just stepping back from it, like that brought the car out, especially with the lights and everything, man. And then just opening it, yeah, it's crazy light, man. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish this install up right here, man. Then I'm gonna just take a better picture in the day because I'm battling against sunlight, as y'all can see. So Let me finish this install and I'll show y'all the finishing results of everything. This is the finishing results, man. I wonder, can y'all see it? Like, depends on the angles. I gotta go slow, I feel like, for y'all to really see it. But man, oh, you can see it good here, man. Yeah, that metallic pops. Alright, y'all, man, so that is gonna wrap this video up, man. Shoot, I finally made it back to the house. I got y'all all the content I feel like y'all need, man. So y'all drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think, man. Do y'all like that carbon fiber trunk? Do y'all like the metallic part on it? I actually like it, man, because it's like 3 spoilers. It's like 3 trunks in one. They got the 1LE vibe on there, with the, you know, with the duck bill, and then just from the side it doesn't look like it, like a brand new spoiler. And then just overall from the distance of it, man, it just looks clean, man. So I like it, man. So y'all drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.